Before we begin, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell for more exquisite recipes just like this one from the Culinary Recipe Creations channel, where we explore the world of cuisine like no one else could ever do. Tonight, we dine like royalty. Forget chicken nuggets and fries. This is about decadence. This is about Wagyu beef, the world's most prized beef, melting in your mouth. Imagine creamy, earthy, truffle-infused risotto. A simple black truffle butter sauce elevates every bite. This isn't just dinner, it's an experience. It's about slowing down, savoring each bite, and appreciating the best life offers. Are you ready to feel like royalty? Let's begin. This is how we celebrate. This is how we treat ourselves. This is how we make memories. Wagyu beef isn't just beef. It's an experience. It's renowned for its rich, marbling, buttery texture and melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Then we have truffles. These underground fungi are the diamonds of the culinary world, prized for their earthy, pungent aroma and flavor. We're not holding back. We're using the best ingredients to create a meal that's truly unforgettable. Remember, quality ingredients are key. They don't need to be complicated, just the best you can find. Season the Wagyu generously with salt. This step is crucial because it enhances the natural flavors of the meat. Then add pepper. That's it. We don't want to mask the natural flavor of this incredible meat. Wagyu beef is known for its rich, marbling and buttery texture, and over-seasoning can overshadow these unique qualities. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's screaming hot. The skillet needs to be extremely hot to achieve that perfect sear. Add a touch of oil grapeseed or avocado oil and sear the Wagyu for 2 to 3 minutes per side. These oils have high smoke points, making them ideal for searing. We want a beautiful crust, but we're not cooking it through yet. The crust locks in the juices and adds a delightful texture. Transfer the seared Wagyu to a baking sheet. This step is essential to ensure even cooking in the oven. Place it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes for medium rare. The oven helps cook the steak evenly without drying it out. Remember, Wagyu is best enjoyed medium rare to medium. Overcooking can cause the meat to lose its tenderness and juiciness. Let the Wagyu rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing. Resting allows the meat fibers to relax and the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and juicy. When you finally slice into the steak, you'll notice how the juices have permeated every part, making each bite a symphony of flavors and textures. Finely chop 1 shallot and a clove of garlic. These 2 ingredients form the aromatic base of our risotto, infusing it with a subtle yet delightful flavor. Sweat them in a saucepan with a tablespoon of butter over medium heat until softened. This process releases their natural sweetness and mellows their sharpness. Add 1 cup of arborio rice, a short grain rice known for its high starch content, which is essential for achieving that creamy risotto texture. Toast the rice for a minute, stirring constantly. This step is crucial as it helps the rice absorb the flavors of the butter and aromatics, setting the stage for a deeply flavorful dish. Pour in half a cup of dry white wine, like a Sauvignon Blanc, which not only deglazes the pan but also adds a layer of acidity and complexity to the risotto. Let the wine cook until fully absorbed by the rice. Now gradually ladle in 4 cups of hot chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup at a time, stirring constantly. This slow and steady process is what creates the creamy texture risotto is known for. Each addition of broth should be fully absorbed before adding the next, allowing the rice to release its starches and thicken the dish naturally. This methodical approach ensures that the risotto develops its signature velvety consistency. Once the rice is cooked al dente, slightly firm to the bite, stir in a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. The cheese melts into the risotto, adding a rich, savory depth that complements the other flavors beautifully. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of black truffle butter. This luxurious ingredient delivers an earthy, aromatic flavor that elevates the dish to a whole new level of indulgence. The combination of creamy rice, rich cheese, and fragrant truffle butter makes this risotto a truly decadent experience. Serve it immediately, garnished with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a drizzle of truffle oil for an extra touch of elegance. Enjoy your creamy truffle dream, a dish that's sure to impress and delight. Now for the black diamond sauce. The black diamonds enhance the experience. This sauce is simplicity at its finest. In a small saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter over low heat. Once melted, stir in 1 tablespoon of black truffle oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. That's it. The truffle oil adds another layer of earthy, pungent flavor to the dish. This sauce is the perfect finishing touch, adding a touch of luxury to each bite. Alternatives fit for a king or queen. Can't find Wagyu? Don't worry, a good quality New York strip or ribeye steak will work beautifully. Truffles are a luxury, but their absence shouldn't stop you from enjoying this meal. Use truffle oil in both the risotto and the sauce for that distinct earthy flavor. Remember, cooking is about adapting and making the most of what you have. Don't be afraid to get creative. Wine pairing a royal toast. A meal this special deserves an equally special wine. A full-bodied red wine, like a Cabernet Sauvignon or a Bordeaux, would pair beautifully with the rich Wagyu beef. If you prefer white wine, a buttery Chardonnay or a Viognier with its floral notes would complement the earthy truffles and creamy risotto. Choose a wine you love and let it enhance the flavors of this incredible meal. Presentation is everything plating for a king. In the world of culinary arts, the way a dish is presented can elevate it from ordinary to extraordinary. We eat with our eyes first. The visual appeal of a dish sets the stage for the flavors to come, creating anticipation and excitement, so let's make this meal visually stunning. A well-plated dish is like a work of art where every element has its place and purpose. Use a white plate to make the colors of the dish pop. The simplicity of a white background allows the vibrant hues of the ingredients to stand out. Slice the Wagyu beef against the grain and fan it out on the one side of the plate. This not only makes the beef more tender, but also adds a dynamic visual element. Spoon a generous portion of the creamy, truffle-infused risotto next to the beef. The rich, velvety texture of the risotto complements the succulent beef perfectly. Drizzle the black truffle butter sauce over the beef and around the risotto. This luxurious sauce ties the dish together, adding depth and richness. Garnish with a sprinkle of chopped chives or a few microgreens for a touch of freshness. These final touches not only enhance the flavor, but also add a burst of color and life to the plate. Remember, presentation is about showcasing the hard work and love you put into creating this meal. Every detail, from the placement of the ingredients to the final garnish, tells a story of care and craftsmanship. A meal to remember. There you have it. A meal fit for royalty. It's about more than just the food. It's about the experience, the indulgence, and the memories you create. This is a meal to savor, to share, and to remember. So gather your loved ones, dim the lights, pour yourselves a glass of wine, and raise a toast to the good life. Enjoy every single bite. This is what life is all about. This is what makes it all worthwhile. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for more delicious and exciting recipes, just like this one from the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. We can't wait to see you again. Take care and goodbye for now.